We will demonstrate to you how to use this radiation device. As we enter the room, you can see the device is showing 700 microwatts per meter square, which is equivalent to 0.7 milliwatts per meter square. During this video, we will be using milliwatts per meter square to show the measurements. As you can see, while we're moving around the room, it starts to change. For example, this desk is showing you 1.5, however, when we point it towards the room, it is showing you 2.2 milliwatts per meter square. And as we walk towards the window, it starts to get higher and higher. First it's 4.5, then the more closer we are to the window, it is showing you around 7.5 milliwatts per meter square. Since this area is pretty high, we'll find the area showing us the maximum measurement so we can find where the source is coming from. Try not to move the device too fast or go around the room slowly to get more accurate measurements. Since this area is showing you a high max, press the max button, which is the left one. And as you can see, while we point it towards the base station facility, it is showing you a high measurement. Turn up the light by press and hold the right button for a few seconds. As you can see, it is showing you 19 milliwatts per meter square. By pressing the left button, it changes the mode. There are 4 modes: max, average, max average, and the real-time mode. Remember, to turn up the light, you press and hold the right button long enough, because if you just press without holding long enough, it will change the unit. Now that we know where the source is coming from, let's check the area we sleep. Another reminder is to not block the device with your body, as we will absorb the radiation. As you can see, this area in this side, the left side of the room, is showing you about 7.5 millivolts, and then the left side of the pillow is showing you about 5. Let's go to the other side of where I sleep. Don't forget to turn up the light and press the max button to get an accurate result. Hold it steady for a few seconds. As you can see, it is showing you about 4.3 milliwatts per meter square. To summarize it all up, near the entrance is about 2 milliwatts. The center of the room is about 7 milliwatts. Pillow side is about 4, and the highest measurement is at the window, which is 19 milliwatts. According to this result, this room does not actually have a lot of what we call attenuation. Thank you for listening.